Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Docker Desktop WSL Update Failed error on your system step by step. This issue usually happens when WSL is outdated or not properly installed. First, open Command Prompt as administrator and type WSL --update, then press Enter to manually update WSL. Next, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now, open Command Prompt again and type WSL --status to check if it's running correctly. After that, make sure virtualization is enabled in your system BIOS, as it is required for WSL to work properly. Also, update your Windows to the latest version from Settings to avoid compatibility issues. If the error still appears, uninstall Docker Desktop completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website. Finally, launch Docker again and the WSL update error should be fixed and everything should run smoothly now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.